Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows Defender would not open in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box go to your and power up and type a PowerShell. Open up Windows PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, copy a command which is available into the video description and paste it, and after that click on enter. After that type a exit and exit the command prompt. After that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.